Welcome to Zillion Byte GDS for software testing, specifically beta software testing. So once you open the link, you will get here to put your own mobile number and the name of the device, like say for example Firefox laptop. Okay, which means on your laptop you have Firefox and you're using that. Reference number or mobile number will be the number or the code who has referred you, or like the referral code of the company, I mean for which company you are working. If you don't have any company name, then it will be L0. Login.